Hi, in the last video I forgot to write the return statement, and so it returned the null as a widget that created the errors all over. So let's try to prevent this mistake by writing this return statement and reload the project. So now as you can see, we have our scaffold layout over here, and there is an app bar with guessing game over here as a title, and the color of app bar is deep orange. So we can continue adding new stuff in this scaffold. So scaffold has a new property called body, and in the body you can give another widget that will be rendered over here on the screen. So let's see which widgets will be useful. So there is a widgets catalog in the flutter.io. If you go to these basic widgets, then you'll find some of these widgets we are going to use. So the first one is the container. A container is a class that combines the positioning and the sizing of widgets, so you can give the size of the inner widgets and also provide the padding and margins, etc. There are two more basic widgets, row and column. So row renders everything horizontally, columns renders everything vertically. So we'll use this container in our project to provide some margin, and then have our layout. So we'll use this container, new container. Then it has some options like there is an option for giving margin, then there is an option for padding, right? So we'll use this padding. And padding is a type of the edge insert geometry. So edge inserts are basically the offsets from the box, you can say, and there are multiple methods available inside this edge insert class. So we'll use this edge inserts dot all. There seems to be an error. Let's see if we are having any mistake over here. So inside this, okay, that's a const constructor. So we'll use this const because it is never going to be changed, or it is intended not going to be changed. So we'll use this const, and it provides some value for Android, 16 pixels.